I'm very happy to have found some dapple shade. I'm here trying to find another ruin. I was told there would be a gated entrance. Here's the gate. That sucker's heavy, I could barely lift it. Anyway, I'm hoping I found the right spot. No signs or anything like that here. I'm gonna give this a shot. I don't think I've got the right road here. Yeah, this is a bit rough. There's some pretty rough rocks down here. Now then, I think this is more likely it. This road looks a lot more used. I always get a bit nervous going in on these dirt roads on my own. You know, there's tire tracks, but sometimes you can tell they're a couple of days old or whatever, and you never know quite what you're getting into. And you know, and sometimes it goes on for miles. So this actually became very much not a road anymore. Right, going to head out again. Yeah, this is fun. This is one of those spots. You've got to go over this big rock in order to avoid that branch sticking out. There's another one I can't avoid because there's a sharp rock on the right. So, woo. I found another road. I think I finally found the right one. There's even another car here. So I'm here at the trailhead for Cave Towers. I went through quite a bit to find this place because all I had was some very vague directions from somebody I met on the trail yesterday. He didn't know exactly where the road was, and he didn't know the name of the sign that was near it. He was just like, it's near some obvious turn off trailhead sign type of thing. And so I went down 2 other roads first before I tried this one. It was a bit of an adventure. A couple of them were, well, both of them were. And anyway, I'm here, and I'm sure if I got directions from BEDSPREADS National Monument, it would have been a lot clearer, but it's part of the fun. You come out here, there is no cell reception, there is no internet access or anything, so you just kind of go with the flow. And also, a lot of these trails have no signs. They do that to protect them. Most people just drive right by, not even aware that there's anything there. So I'm up here on Cedar Mesa in BEDSPREADS National Monument, and along 95 west of Blanding, Utah, and pretty much most of the trails start out like this, either this or straight down into a canyon. So I wasn't entirely sure what to expect, but I can see a couple of towers over there. Alright, we've got another billboard here with all the rules. This one is a pet peeve for me. I see people just walking straight through the cryptobiotic soil, completely uncaring. Well, they've gotten to a lot of trouble to protect this one. I'm guessing this is to keep the cows out. Well, this is always a good reminder. rattlesnakes, and it is that time of the year. This is a very clearly marked trail in places. Across the way there's more ruins. There's actually a little waterfall, and I also see a ruin. And this one's in pretty bad shape. I just disturbed a beautiful snake. It's not a rattlesnake. I doubt that you can see it. Can you see him? He's there right between those two twigs in the middle of the screen. There, he's moving. He's very long. He's curious. You see his head there, right in the middle of the screen now? He's looking at me. Well, I think that was a very large garter snake. I'm not sure, but I think so. And if he's out, then you know the other snakes are out. There's more ruins over there. One of those towers is still partially intact. And here we have a grave. Huh. I'm going up to those towers up there. Two towers here, right side by side. And there goes another one of those snakes. This one's even bigger than the last one. Wow. Look at him, he's going across. I thought he was going to go across the slick rock. Definitely very busy with snakes. This guy, I didn't see him either. They look just like twigs. I am keeping my ears peeled for rattlesnakes though. I'm walking slowly and I'm listening. I'm really listening. I'll leave you alone now, buddy. Oop, I decided to move. There we go. There he goes. Look at him. Oh, where is he? Shoot. Oh, there. How long he is. Ooh. Very hard to capture when with the extreme light and dark. But that one has quite a few rooms in it. I don't see an obvious way down to it though. Well, the wind, the heat, and the bugs, and today the snakes were relentless.